All right, we're going to start doing some verifications here, which means, once again, there's a big question mark over this equal sign. Important to remember that when we're doing a problem that looks like this, because at first glance you see all these 12s and 6s and you're like, well, maybe I'll just divide by 6, it'll make it simpler. Can't do it, okay? But the key here is to see these 12s and 6s and to think about how I can simplify this. What can I do? What's something I can do? And we've said this. Can I factor out a common term from both of these? Can I factor out a common term from both of these? The answer is yes. I can factor out a 6. Does that give me anything? Who knows? Doesn't hurt to try. Over here we'll have 1 minus 2 sine squared x with the 6 on the outside. Okay? If you're looking at this previously, if I had given you this yesterday even, or 2 days ago, you probably would have done some kind of substitution here, or maybe here, saying like, well, on this side I've got cosine squared x, and over here I've got sine squared x, so maybe I'll replace one of these cosine squareds with a sine squared and work with one and that old Pythagorean identity. Nothing wrong with that, okay? But given the new information that we've talked about today, these two statements are equivalent. They are both equivalent to cosine of 2x. So flash forward to our proof here. These statements are identical. Again, identical, I guess I should use the word like equivalent. They're equivalent. They're not identical. If they were identical, they'd look exactly the same, right? So we should use the word like equivalent. They look different, but they are equal to the same expression. Both of these are equal to the cosine of 2x. And these two statements are equivalent. Check. So again, would you have been wrong if you went about this with some kind of substitution here? No. It would work. If you wanted to put 1 minus sine squared x in for that cosine squared x, you would have eventually gotten this inside your quantity, and you could have stopped there. All right? But with the new information, if we want to practice using this, this one goes a little bit quicker with just recognizing that the two quantities here and here are already equivalent. We know that to be true. That's information that's been given. Use it. Oh, man. Oh, wait, no, it's working. Say hi, Miss Thomas.
Okay.